Good morning. I'm Robin Pollock, a master gardener, and we're here at Chastain Park in cooperation with the Chastain Park Conservancy in this wonderful urban garden. Today we're going to learn how to plant a strawberry jar. You can enjoy scrumptious strawberries at home any size garden by simply planting in a strawberry jar. Bring your kids out, they're home in these times of boredom, and let them help you, and they will love harvesting, planting, and tending to their strawberry pot. To start with, we need a shopping list, and our shopping list includes a strawberry jar. You need to get a bag of potting soil. I like to use a starter fertilizer, and you will need as many strawberries as you have holes in your pot. This pot has 6 holes, and I also like to include a few at the top just for color and interest. So how do we do it? Let's get started. The first thing you do is you take your pot and you add potting soil up to the first layer of holes. Then you take your the strawberry, and you wiggle the pot to loosen it, and you take the strawberry out of the pot. If it is root bound, you want to take some of the roots, wiggle them out so that they can be planted. And then I plant my strawberry into the hole and put the roots in the jar and let it peek out. And you will have a beautiful little strawberry plant coming out of this hole. Okay, we got one in. Let's try the next one. I'm going to turn the pot around and make sure that you let all of the strawberry extend from the hole. Again, squeeze the pot to loosen the roots. Do you see this beautiful blossom? That will turn into a strawberry very soon. So again, I'm going to wiggle it, take it out, loosen the roots. I'm putting a little bit of the root fertilizer in the hole, and I'm sticking my strawberry through the hole. Oh, look, that's going to be great. Now, what do? I have my first 2 holes planted. So now I am going to add soil up to the next level. Few scoops. Cover the roots, cover the pots, the little pots that you planted, and now we're up to our second layer. Again, I'm going to loosen the dirt, take out my strawberry plant, carefully put it in the hole, through the hole, and pull it out. Sometimes they want to be a little stubborn, so you have to be the boss of the plant and make it do what you want it to do. And here they come, the little strawberry leaves. Tap down the plant. One more leaf, thank you very much. And turn it around and do the other side. Now, as I'm building my strawberry pot jar, I would like you to please add a little fertilizer each layer. It'll add to the health of the plant. So I'm getting towards the top. Sometimes you have to scoop down the little holes so that the leaves can come through nicely, not breaking, gently, gently, gently coming out of the pot. Turn it around, and we have done both sides of this. So again, we fill the inside, covering those little pots, and do it all over again. We have 2 more holes to go, which doesn't seem like very many, but 6 strawberry plants should give you an entire season worth of strawberries. The nice thing about strawberries is that they are perennials. So you can leave it unattended, keep it watered, and next year you'll come back, and would you believe your strawberries will still be there, and you will be given another year. You can also put strawberries in the ground, and they will spread. So if you do put them in your garden, not in a pot, they will get to about 1 foot by 1 foot, and they will cover an area. That one did nicely. And one more. Well, I think I'm about full. So last but not least, I'm going to take some potting soil. Now I'm going to fill the pot almost to the tippy top, but not quite. And then I am going to put 2 strawberries in the very top. Let's put one with a flower so it will bloom soon and give you a yummy strawberry. You might be able to hold 2 or 3 in your pot, and then just fill the container with soil, tap it down, and look what a lovely strawberry pot. And last but not least, we need to water our strawberry jar thoroughly, and you will have strawberries for years to come. Please join us at ChastainParkConservancy.org for this video and many more on vegetable gardening. Thank you. Have a nice day.